At first light, the Golden Eagle waits. Inside a quiet concrete hangar beside American farmland, the Cessna 421C Golden Eagle stands ready. Sunlight reflects across polished white pearl paint, gold accents glowing in the morning air. Taxi light illuminated, twin engines come alive, smooth, powerful, precise. Rolling forward, centerline perfectly aligned. Power increases, heat shimmers behind the propellers. Acceleration builds, wheels spin, the nose rises, and then a clean liftoff into golden sky. Gear still visible beneath N510CM as the aircraft climbs through thin morning clouds. Grace, balance, authority. The Golden Eagle doesn't just take off, it departs with presence.